Hi, I'm Chien again, and today I talk about my house. I live in a house with my parents and my brother. My house have one floor. When you go in, you can find a hole. There is a big garden in front of the house. My mom to grow vegetables, flower in the garden. On your right, there is a kitchen. My family has breakfast, have lunch, have dinner in her. The kitchen is a simple. Next, there is a living room. Mm, it is a big room and comfortable. There is we have a smart TV in mid room and some painting in the wall and some painting in the wall, uh, tables and chair and sometime in a holiday my mother has a flower vase in the table. Next to the living room, it is a bedroom. Sorry, two bedrooms, and one for my parents, one for my brother and me. The bedroom is my favorite room. In the bedroom, there is a small table, a small TV in the wall, and a bookshelf, a closet, a mirror. It's very comfortable in her. I'm very comfortable in her, and I can playing, sleeping. I can talk with my friend, and finish. We have a bathroom. It is the normal room, so I don't talk talk this room. Well, finish. And you, what does your what does your house look like?